Seeing all the trucks out here together is crazy.
That's right.
100K on YouTube.
That's right.
Bread gang, let's get this bread. We're gonna ride the strip.
What are we doing today?
Today's our Super Bowl. Y'all thought Sema was it? This is it, guys. This is it. Coming out to the desert. It is 6:30 in the morning. So we got that golden sunlight glistening all over here.
Definitely 6:30 in the morning.
Definitely feeling it, dog. But we'll get you some nice content. We got Eric, we got Colton, we got Mauricio. Obviously, this guy right here. A little bit for me. So stay tuned. Y'all gonna want to.
It is the final day of the Vegas vlogs. We are absolutely burnt out, but we've got one final day left of filming and content for you guys coming. This is my first time I've ever been in the desert for the photo shoots, and I'm super excited to be here. We had to get up super early to be here for the sunrise shoots. All of the major companies in the industry bring all of their newest SEMA builds out to the desert the Saturday morning after the show, after the cruise out, once all the vehicles leave, so they can do photo shoots, sunrise photo shoots in the desert. I did not wake up early enough last year to come, and I made it a point this year to wake up early enough and catch a ride with everybody in the Airbnb out to the desert. So we're gonna get some content for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the content in today's video. Last day of the SEMA Vegas vlogs. It has been a hell of a week. I appreciate you guys for showing so much love and so much love on the videos. It means the world to me. The content has been great this week. All the engagement has been great on Instagram and YouTube, and it just means the world to me. So let's have us a day. Let's get this bread.
Everyone else is gone.
Hold on. All right. Yeah, we're good. All right.
Just hit a bump and it threw at me. It hit a bump and it threw me about 2 feet in the air.
That sounds fantastic, dude.
Did not feel good. That's what we do for the content though. Y'all didn't get to see the clip, but that was me laying on the floor after. We hit that first bump and I was like, well,
we're okay. The second one was like,
I completely caught air. I left the bed of the truck. I had to grab to stay in the bed of the truck.
I caught air.
Yeah, look, this is where he's at. He's terrified.
I caught air.
Terrified. Absolutely terrified.
So I had like a movie one and then a vertical one. That, I'll just guide you for that one. We have the distance separated from him. That way you can- They just got the new motor in there too. He's not about to. Oh, that's a sick shot.
I've been specifically saving this truck and this review for this moment. There's no better time to do a truck review than in the middle of the Las Vegas, Nevada desert. This is one of the coolest experiences, one of the coolest places to film a truck. And today I have quite possibly, you know I'm a GM fan, right? There's been a lot of Fords out here, a lot of all kinds of shit out here, but I can't say it's my favorite because I've had like 10 favorite trucks out here, but my favorite Poppy's kit of the show, I'll at least say that. Their new 20 to 24 inch, the newest of the Poppy's lineup, GM independent front suspension kits. We got the beautiful red Denali behind me on the 30s and 44s, KG1s and Furies.
Your bitch and told her I see you around. Dog just skipped town with 200,000. Dog.
I gotta show love to the one McGaughy's kid out here in the desert today. We got the 2024 all silver color matched high country on the 2614s and the new Fury RTs. That teal McGaughy's kit with the matching rear traction bars is freaking beautiful. Shout out to El Senor Chevy. That's the owner of State Line Diesel that's driving it, but it's El Senor Chevy's truck. I want to show some love to the one McGaughy's kid out here today. Did spend a lot of time over in the booth with Steve and Nick at McGaughy's in the last couple of days in the video, so if you guys want to see the walk around of their booth, make sure you guys check out one of the other videos. It's in one of the other videos, I don't know which one it is, in the playlist for SEMA 2024. Let me know what you guys think of this silver high country. I'm a huge fan. I love the teal. I love the big billet polished overlays that they got on the front. He did a really good job building this truck. It's freaking beautiful, man. That truck is so massive. My favorite truck of the day The 20-inch Poppy's independent front suspension, bolt-on kit, faceplate in the front, the 30x16s and the 44s from Fury. That red is freaking beautiful. The color match on that, the color from the lift kit to the truck is so freaking beautiful. And I love the accent on the wheels. It's got the big Super 10 floating center caps on it. Covers up the lug hole, so it's got just one big center cap on it. Love that big cradle in the center. All the polished or milled overlays on that kit is freaking beautiful. I love this truck. I love the color of it more than anything. That Poppy's kit keeps the independent front suspension, 30x16s, 44s. And you guys know I'm a fan of the red. So I didn't get a chance to go by the West Hall and film this one at the show. So I'd kind of decided I was going to wait and film it when we came out here to the desert. So I'm glad that it did make it out here today. I touched on Mariah's truck a couple days ago, but I wanted to get one more shot of it while it's out here in the desert. She just built this one, got the 20-inch Elevate. Well, I think it's about 20-inch. 20-inch Elevate with the pink and teal, the Miami Vice colorway on the lift kit. 30x16s and the 44s as well on that beautiful, I don't remember what the name of the color is that Ford, but there's a lot of trucks these days that have that color on it. I'm a big fan of the color design that they went with. The gray and the teal and the pink together is really nice with the polished wheels.
Right? What? Chevy.
I've been wanting to film this one since I saw it pull into the show. The 5th gen dually on the 30s and 44s, or I think they're 40s, no, they're 44s, the 30s and 44s. The pink and black is crazy. The wrap is absolutely insane, and I'm just such a big fan of the pink and black together that I just had to throw it in the video one time. Seeing all the trucks out here together is crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and probably another 10 behind me. Just with us alone, 25 or so trucks from all over the country, all in the desert. Oh. Yeah, look, he walks up to me with his hammer, just place. Look how beautiful that is. Look, I gotta show y'all one time. Oh, hey, look how
Let that brown.
look at that thing.
Look at that thing.
In the desert, son.
Brown.
Now, when I get back from Vegas, I'm gonna tug it, and y'all ain't gonna probably ever see it again, to be honest with you. But we out here in Vegas, we hit the strip last night. It was freaking insane. We'll get a bunch of content, a bunch of rollers. We jumped the trophy truck earlier. They're doing Laz, and then we're doing donuts. If y'all, a fan of Laz and then PJ and all them down in Miami, go show love to their videos. They've been doing some crazy stuff out here. We're living the dream. We're in Vegas, we're in the desert, about to go to the Hoover Dam afterwards just cuz. Like, all I can say is I appreciate y'all for showing love, liking, subscribing, and just watching the videos, because we wouldn't be here without y'all. So let's get this bread. Look, I know he's eating, okay? But it's a yearly tradition for us to come to the Chick-fil-A. Hugh beat us to the Chick-fil-A today. So we got Sean over here, we got everybody in the detail lot waiting for us outside. We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna ride the strip.
Bro, we're lit over here. Hey, yo! What's up, brother? God, I love the red. Bro, my Duramax is gonna have all red. I don't give a bro. It's gotta have all red. That's so fire, bro.
Hey, you know a guy. You need some red. You need some red lights. You know a guy.
Y'all can do all red like that?
Yeah. I'll make it happen, dog.
Hey, you know what's happening. You know what's happening.
Y'all may not be able to see it, but we've got trucks starting all the way at the road, lining all the way back, and then coming all the way into the lot. We probably got 20 or 30. We did this last year, and it went crazy in the videos and on Instagram, so we're gonna do this again, baby. This is Las Vegas, SEMA 2024. Oh,
Just on time, my brother.
we're gonna make some content, have a good time. Let's get this bread. Tell all them to wait.
No way.
I'm just trying to get y'all to spin the block one time, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get y'all to spin the block one time.
But Alex, man, behind the camera, it's going down.
Hey, we lit out here, baby. We are lit out here, baby. Why are we not hitting the strip right now? What are we doing? I'm gonna have my voice gonna be going by the end of this. What are we doing right now? I'm trying to hit the strip. Whoa. Hey, yo! Ah, there he is. Yo! We gotta do this every year. We got them boys in the cut.
Hey, look
we got them boys in the cut.
We just cooked it up in the parking lot. We don't
over here, bro.
Y'all working, huh? Y'all working, huh?
Yeah.
Y'all working, huh?
It's
I
that
don't believe.
Chick-fil-A, man. I got Chick-fil-A running through my veins.
Bro.
Let's go!
Canada boy is freezing. Canada boy is freezing.
Dude, Alex, that white bone. We're closing a brand new Chick-fil-A.
The collab is
Mark my
crazy.
words,
The
bro.
collab
Not on
is crazy.
Sunday. Not on Sunday.
Hey, I'm the only guy you know that's got a motherfucking Chick-fil-A plug on Sunday.
Hey, what is that, bro? Hey, pull that chain out.
Oh, you want me to?
Pull that mother
I'm sorry.
Keep that shit out, dude.
Here you go. Here you go.
Come on, bro. Come on. You have it, rock it.
We in Vegas one time. We in Vegas one time.
You have it, you might as well rock it. Yeah, that's right.
100K on YouTube.
That's right.
Bread gang. Let's get this bread. We go ride the strip. Let's get this baby. Let's go.
We don't play over here.
Come on, baby.
It's that white bow tie.
Come on. That white tonight.
Hey,
Yo.
Hey.
That white bow tie got a new bill. What the?
Sheesh. That chicken sandwich is Hey, shout out Chick-fil-A one time.
Kobe Jack is on everything.
Hey.